for the script. The low-budget movie received 10 Academy Award nominations, with Stallone receiving 2 for Best Actor and Best Original Screenplay. And to put the cherry on top, the film grossed over $117 million and net 3 Oscars, including Best Picture, Best Director, and Best Film Editing. If you don't take anything else from this week at camp, but it's one thing, the camp in its entirety has been scheduled and set to show you that you can reach whatever goals that you want to achieve in life. But you must be willing to struggle to have the progression you desire. It won't happen if you don't stay focused and if you are not all in. So I leave you today with this. Make the decision now to be not ordinary, but to be extraordinary. Amen. As you leave here, make the decision. The choice is yours. Thank you.